there, buddy. What you doing there?
Who's that?
Who's there?
It's me, Nature Protection Man.
Nature Protection Man.
But what did I do wrong, Nature Protection Man?
Well, that trash you threw on the ground is bad for the environment.
But how's that styrofoam disc bad for the environment?
Well, when styrofoam eventually breaks down, it releases a chemical called styrene.
Isn't that my cousin's name?
No, you dummy. He's talking about the chemical.
Exactly. Styrene is an important ingredient in making styrofoam and can be considered carcinogenic.
But wait, if cigarettes can harm us, then can't they harm ocean wildlife too?
You're right, 80s kid. Specifically, the nicotine in cigarettes thrown on the beach have been found to cause paralysis, curved spines, and stunted growth in the embryos of certain fish. This affects ocean wildlife in particular because the ocean can spread these chemicals faster than on land.
That's totally interesting, brah.
Are there other types of ocean pollution?
You bet there is. Sometimes medicine at nursery homes is flushed down the toilet or make their way into the sewage system through other means. Just how medicine can affect us, it can affect animals as well, and won't cure their cough either. It'll harm them in different ways depending on the drug. Anyway, an antidepressant called oxazepam has been found in fish. This makes fish braver than they usually are.
Does that make them attack me or something?
No, what that means is that usually fish are very cautious creatures due to instinct, but when this drug makes its way into their body, they lose that cautious survival instinct and get killed easier, facing predators head-on.
Oh, well, okay then.
I should probably cover one of the most common forms of ocean pollution. Most aquatic animals aren't very smart and confuse a variety of plastic containers as food. This leads to choking, intestinal damage, and eventually death in animals.
Oh, okay.
Dude, what are you doing? That's bad for the environment too, right?
Yup. In fact, gum clogs fish's gills, not allowing them to breathe. But on a related note, there's another type of pollution you might not have heard of.
Grass pollution? Yeah.
Black pollution!
Eye pollution?
No, and yes, but that's another time. What I'm talking about is the food harming the animals.
But, I mean, the banana's natural. I mean, how does this harm the environment?
Haven't you learned anything? Well, you know how fish hunt for their food, right? Well, if you keep feeding them bread, for example, they'll lose their natural instinct to hunt. And let's say people stop giving them food. They'll already have been so accustomed to receiving food from people that they won't know how to hunt anymore, and they'll die of starvation.
Well, I mean, yeah, true.
It's true. I guess.
What were you two doing here anyways?
Well, we gotta do this for our awesome,
For really
kind,
teacher.
great Miss Martinez. Thanks, Nature Protection Man. What are you doing, Martin? We're supposed to... No people were harmed in the making of this video.
Okay, well, have you been putting it in? Are you supposed to slide in? Elf pollution? I put elf
Fuck. Sorry.
Alright, you know, and here's the
Sorry.
I have to. Our first shot didn't go well, so now I have to put this reconstructive banana surgery. Look at what I have to do for an A+.
It's bananas. ask for cups?
Yeah, sure. Alright, next, start flipping out.
Should I call him Jay?
I'm just gonna keep talking.
Make sure you get him an A, okay, teacher? Hi. Bye. Bye.
Thank you.
They need an A+.
We need an A+. Hear that, Ms. Martinez?
Don't put Lou in the ocean. Don't do that. It's bad. Don't put pills in the toilet.